Are you tired of hair fall, thinning hair, or slow growth? Garlic hair oil is one of the most powerful natural remedies for stimulating hair growth and stopping hair fall. It's easy to make at home, affordable, and packed with nutrients that your scalp loves. In this video, we'll show you how to make homemade garlic hair oil and how to use it to achieve thicker, longer, and healthier hair naturally. Garlic is not just for cooking, it's a powerful ingredient for hair care. It contains sulfur, selenium, and essential nutrients that help strengthen hair roots and support new hair growth. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help purify the scalp, reduce dandruff, and create the perfect environment for hair to grow. When massaged into the scalp, garlic hair oil stimulates blood circulation, which awakens the hair follicles. It unclogs blocked pores, strengthens weak roots, and provides deep nourishment. Over time, regular use can reduce hair fall, treat dandruff, and even support regrowth in bald patches. To make garlic hair oil, you need only a few simple ingredients. 8 to 10 fresh garlic cloves, 1 or 2 cups of coconut oil or olive oil. Optional, 1 tablespoon castor oil for extra thickness. These ingredients work together to nourish, stimulate, and protect your hair naturally. Step 1. Peel and crush the garlic cloves to release their natural oils. Step 2. Heat coconut oil in a small pan on low flame. Step 3. Add the crushed garlic and let it cook gently until it turns light golden. Do not burn it. Step 4. Optional, add castor oil and mix well. Step 5. Let the oil cool completely, then strain it into a clean glass bottle. Your homemade garlic hair oil is now ready to use. Take a small amount of garlic hair oil and gently massage it into your scalp using your fingertips. Focus on bald spots or thinning areas. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes to boost circulation. Leave the oil on for at least 1 hour or overnight for deeper treatment. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Repeat 2-3 times a week for best results. With regular use, garlic hair oil can help reduce hair fall and breakage, stimulate double hair growth, treat dandruff and scalp infections, strengthen roots and prevent thinning, support regrowth on bald patches. This simple remedy can bring noticeable changes within a few weeks when used consistently. Garlic hair oil is one of the best natural solutions for hair loss and slow growth. With just a few ingredients and a little patience, you can bring your hair back to life, thicker, longer, and healthier. Stay consistent, follow the routine, and let nature work its magic.